Finding the right work table for your business is essential to the kitchen efficiency. Tables come in dozens of sizes with a variety of options, including under shelves, and can have rounded, square or countertop corners to accommodate virtually every need. But the most important aspect before the actual use is its assembly and framing it in the kitchen. We have taken this into account and created a table that can be assembled just in a few easy steps. Each table ships with a tabletop, undershelf, legs, a set of screws, and the only thing left to do is to assemble. Step 1. To begin, place the tabletop upside down on a non-scratching surface. Insert the legs into the tabletop gussets, loosening the set screw if one struggles to go in. Partially tighten the set screws. Step 2. Set the bottom shelf. The shelf is installed 15 cm from the ground for the food storage safety. Slide the shelf onto the legs and fully tighten all the set screws. Step 3. Adjust the fit as needed to meet your high requirements or to compensate for uneven flooring. At INOX PLUS we have the best solutions for stainless steel furniture.